The dilution is exactly the same as what they said, but you can go weak or high, depends on how foamy you want it. And with this bottle, all you need to do is pump it up and down like this. And that's it. And then that will actually foam out nicely, allegedly. But I will have concerns with this. This is the old type bottle. I've always had concerns, to be honest. Very plasticky. Look, this is all plastic, cheap and tacky. Now, I always reckon if this is crappy, what do you think about the company itself? It normally means it's crappy as well, doesn't it? So looking at this design here, pretty awful. Plasticky, not really look as though it's going to be up to the job. Now, I've bought cheaper products than this and I've got something better. But needless to say, the amount of use I use it, very rare, to be honest. It's okay. Personally, I wouldn't recommend the company because of this type of product. Now, I believe they have got a new version of this out now. And on the top here, it's metal. And they claim that it's got copper and all in it and a copper end. But you're going to pay more for it. Basically, it's the same bottle, manufactured by the same people. And it's, once again, still plastic at the end of the day. And you can pump our bottle up. So with a bit of luck, this should foam up. So let's have a go. It's okay. It's not foamy, but it doesn't matter. Once again, just keep pumping it up.
The foaming action was underwhelming, which might indicate a design flaw or a lack of compatibility with the intended use. Build quality. The top part feels flimsy and unstable while pumping, suggesting poor construction or materials. Air retention. Rapid air loss requires constant effort to maintain pressure, which reduces the product's usability. Overall, rating my experience led me to rate this just 1 out of 5 stars, emphasizing significant dissatisfaction.
And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Gleam Truths. Laters!